Hey, what's up everybody? I titled this video, why aren't my videos more helpful? Okay, so the reason why I said that is because I was just doing another video and I got to this point where I was sitting there thinking like, hey, you might be really frustrated with me, be like, dude, your videos aren't helping me. In every video, you talk about some stuff, but then you say like, it depends. No, it depends. Well, it might work for you, but it depends. You need to reach out to a tax professional, all right? So you're sitting there going like, why aren't my videos more helpful? They are, in a more subtle way, okay? So you're watching YouTube videos where someone says, do this, do that, this will work, this is how you save taxes, okay? There are very few of things like that that are blanket across the board for everybody. Maybe there's not any, but if there are, there are very few that I could do a YouTube video and say, this will work, and it worked for all of you watching it. It's impossible that anyone who could come across this video, it would be a blanket statement for everyone. So I don't do that. Now, while you're watching another video that does that, takes a very confident stand, this will save you taxes, do this. You might feel like that is a more helpful video, but I'm telling you, it's not. And I will not do it. I will never do it, because if it works for 8 out of 10 of you, but it doesn't work for the other 2, and I just give it as a blanket statement, like most blog posts do, most YouTube videos do, as a blanket statement, here's how you save taxes. The 8 out of 10 of you are gonna be just fine. The other 2 are not. You're gonna think it applies to you, it doesn't, and you're gonna eventually get bit in the rear on this because you're gonna get doing something that you thought was fine because I said it was for just a blanket statement, and you end up paying the taxes plus the penalties and interest because it didn't apply to you. So you might think my videos aren't as helpful because it depends. I'm not giving you guaranteed answers, but YouTube's not for guaranteed answers, okay? That's not what I use this platform for. It's to educate you and to help you steer away from those things. So I do it because it's actually what is helpful for you. So I would argue that while on the surface you might say, dude, why aren't your videos more helpful? They are more helpful than you know, because what you need is to make sure that what you're looking at applies to your situation. It's different. You've got a unique set of circumstances. You versus your neighbor who did X, Y, and Z might not apply to you, okay? YouTube video over here in the column that you watch, they say, here's how you save taxes, might not apply to you. Or it might apply to you, but slightly different. And so you need to understand that. So all that to say is, I always do it. It's in all my videos. You need to find someone who understands the tax code. They understand how to plan and prepare taxes, but you need someone who's going to look at your unique set of facts and circumstances and tell you what works for you and what doesn't. A YouTube video can never do that. So use the YouTube videos, learn about topics to take to your professional and say, does this work for me? That's fine. I mean, I don't mind people doing that at all. You know, like hopefully I'll think of these things too that apply to you. I mean, but if you see something, come to me and say, does this apply to me? And I either say, yeah, it does. Or I say, well, no, but here's why. And now you understand why it doesn't apply to you, instead of just sitting there wondering, I watched this YouTube video, why isn't Brad doing that for me? Come ask me. I'll explain it to you. Either it does and we'll start doing it and there was a reason why we weren't to begin with and I'll let you know, or it doesn't apply to you, but now you'll know why it doesn't apply to you. My name is Brad. I'm with Wooten CPA. My goal is to bring peace to your finance and tax responsibilities. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Thank you for watching.